Is your website slow search bar driving visitors away? If users have to type, hit enter, and wait, they will often just leave. That's why today I will show you how to set up Elementor Ajax Live Search by Xpro, so your visitors get instant results as they type. It's the perfect upgrade for any blog, e-commerce store, or content-heavy site. So let's see how to set it up in just a few clicks. Before we start, make sure you have both the free and pro version of Xpro Elementor add-ons installed and activated, since this widget is the part of their pro version. Now let's get started. So here's the WooCommerce store with the Ajax Live Search placed in the header, showing results instantly as we type. This header was built using the Xpro theme builder, which is 100% free. We will recreate in the theme builder so you can see how it's done. Let's delete it. Now from the search panel, search for the advanced Ajax Live Search widget by Xpro and drag and drop it onto your page. This is the default view. Let's customize it. In the content tab, we start with general settings. First, you can choose from 5 different layouts. Watch how the entire style changes with just a click. Once I have picked the one I like, I will move it back into the header. I placed it here to show you the layouts clearly. Next, add your placeholder text. Then set the search by alignment. Next, enable this redirect to search template so visitors can go to a search result page if they don't find what they need in the drop-down. Then enable disable the toggles for content. If you want the search bar to show results with images, titles, description, enable them. For the icon, you can upload your own SVG or select one from the icon library, sticking with the default icon. Now under query, we control what gets searched. You can choose the post types to include like post, pages, product. You can pick more than one. Since this is an e-commerce store, I will select products only. Then we have the per page option. This controls how many results appear at once in the live search dropdown. And here you can see the image, title and description too. Next, set the result order. Ascending shows older item first. Descending shows the latest on top. For stores, descending usually works best. From the exclude option, you can exclude any type of content, posts, pages or products. For example, if I exclude this acid wash shirt, it won't appear in the search result anymore. And that's it for the content tab. Now let's move on to the styling tab. Here we have 3 tabs, starting with input. Set the colors for overlay and close button. From typography, select the font, set the size and wait for your placeholder text. Adjust the width and height of the search bar to fit your design. Then we have normal and focus. Normal is the default state. Set the text color and background color here. Focus is when the search bar is active, setting the color here. Next, you can add a border with just one click. Set its width, color, adjust its radius. Now, when the user clicks on it to type, the border gets active. Adjust the padding to give the placeholder text some room to breathe. You can also style the spinner, the loading animation, by changing its color and size to match your theme. Adjust the margins if needed. Now onto the content tab. This styles the drop-down panel. Here, set the background color for the content. Adjust its width and height. Add a subtle box shadow to make it pop. Feel free to explore the other options, they're same as the previous settings. Then in the items, you can style the separator line. Adjust the padding for a more spacious look. You can also set the image width here. Then style the text for the title, description, and the no results message. Now onto the button. For both normal and hover states, let's style it quickly. For the icon, I'm setting the color white and keeping the background transparent. On hover, some gray color that will appear when the cursor moves over the search bar. You can also adjust the icon size and background size here. And that's it, our instant live search is ready. Let's publish it and test it live. And there you go. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing tutorials. Thanks for watching.